Hey, what's up, guys? It's Big Man Savage Dan back with another Nintendo Switch unboxing. And today I have Monster Boy and the Cursed Kingdom. um, this game did just come out yesterday, and I just got it in the mail from Amazon. It does include a 24-page full color manual, and I'll show that to you guys page by page just a minute when we get it opened up. Quick look at the spine for you guys and the back of the box. Just want to give you a quick overview of what the box artwork looks like, but I'll get the plastic off of it here in just a second and give you a better look at it without the glare. This game does look a lot like Wonder Boy, the Dragon's Trap, if you guys played that game just a while back. Pretty awesome game. I'm not sure if they're related, but the characters do look very similar, as you could tell from those videos there. You do have like a lion character and that little pig character with the patch over his eye. Pretty sure he's in the game from Wonder Boy. You can actually buy stuff from him. So I'm not sure if they're related, but if somebody out there knows, drop a comment below, let us know. Really cool looking game though, guys. Like I said, really dig the art style. The graphics look pretty awesome. I'm not really sure if you have the ability to go like a retro look like the Wonder Boy game had, but that would be awesome. Just not sure if that's in this one though. But yeah, let's get this open, guys. And you guys know me, I usually try to save my little stickers, but was really having a hard time getting this one off. So unfortunately had to let it go, as I'll show you towards the end of the video. But let's get this bad boy ripped open, as it takes me 20 minutes to get this plastic off. I finally got it. But let's take a look at the box one more time, guys. Like I said, without the extra added glare from the plastic overlay from the sealed game. Monster Boy. And look at those big bosses. Those guys look really cool. Looks like a huge squid there or something. And then it's kind of hard to see these guys. You can just go look up some videos on YouTube. But the game does really look cool. But let's pop it open here. First thing you'll notice is you do get some cool like insert art. So, and then there's the booklet here. We'll go over that here in just a second. But the artwork on it looks cool. And you get a couple of sticker sheets that came with the game also. And I thought these were sealed at first, guys, but I'll get back to those in just a second and show you what those look like, because I wasn't going to open them up. I just didn't really see the point in it. I like to keep as much stuff sealed as I can if I'm not going to use it or whatever. But get focused in on the cartridge itself, guys. A little picture of Monster Boy, the hero of the game. And then another quick look at that insert art, guys. Looks like Monster Boy on the left has a frog trying to get a mosquito or something. I can't really tell what that is down there. Now we'll get back to the booklet, guys. Just take a look at all this page by page, and I try to go kind of slow, guys, so you can if you want to, you can pause the video and just read all of this stuff yourself and have a look at all the artwork and all the pictures and everything. Just I like to take it slow. You guys feel free to fast forward though if this kind of stuff bores you, but as a collector, I like to see every little thing I'm getting with my hard-earned cash. Different forms: snake form, frog form. Sorry if I'm going too fast. There's a cool map of the game, guys, of the end game, I guess, the world of the Monster Boy's world. And some special equipment items, teleport rod. I don't know, I'll let you guys read all that stuff. Like I said, just feel free to pause it and check all this out at your own pace. All kinds of goodie items, collectibles. But if this game's anything like Wonder Boy, I think I'm really going to enjoy it. There's a look at some of the bosses of the game. From what I've seen in early video, or like all the review videos, the bosses look really huge in some of the boss fights. So looking forward to that. And let's see, important NPCs. I guess this is people you really need to talk with, or you'll probably come across in the game, I imagine. It's probably a pretty linear game. Not really sure how Metroidvania it is, or whatever you want to call it. But then you even got some hints, tips, and tricks. Kind of hard to read that text, guys. Tried to focus it on the best I could. If you want to pause it and get you some tips and tricks. And there's the back of the book, guys. I don't know what that is, sleeping on the bed. Looks pretty cool though. I'm digging the artwork. But like I said, guys, the sticker sheet, I thought those were sealed initially, but they just slide right out the top there. I didn't see the little slit in the top of the plastic. So you get 2 sheets of stickers for all you suckers like me that like to collect every little thing. But really cool. Looks like all the monsters on the right side. And yeah, there's my sticker I tried to save it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And please subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Please hit the like button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and one last thing before I forget, guys. Just wanted to take a minute to thank my brother from MCM Reviews and More for stepping in and doing my last upload. If you guys don't know, I've been pretty under the weather all week, so thanks again, Mike, for stepping in and doing that. You guys check out his channel. He does toys, collectibles, games, all kind of good stuff. Go check him out. Thanks again. See you guys next time.